In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Google business profile. So first, let's open up a browser and then search for maps.google.com. And then over here, just search for wherever your business is located. So wherever it's located, just right click on that area and then click on add your business. And here you'll see your existing business profiles. But if you're creating a new one, you can just click this profile is for another business. If you want to use the existing one, then click on next. And so I'm going to just pretend I'm creating a new one here for this example. And here they'll ask you for the name and category, so I'm going to just skip these steps. And then they're going to ask you for your business address, so just fill in these fields right here. And then they're going to ask you to just verify the location of your business, so just click on adjust if the location here is incorrect. And then after you finish all those intermediate steps, they're going to actually start your verification process. And this is how you verify your Google business account. It's in this process itself. So you just enter in your phone number, the country, and then you click on next. Or if you want to verify it later, you can click that button. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.